Alright, came back from lunch. The windshield's out. Just about ready to lift the dash out of there. Gotta disconnect the passenger airbag mount bolts and the plastic cover comes off. Then we start on the metal brace. Alright, we got the dash out. Now I'm taking the brace out. It's not too bad from here really. Just a lot of little screws. It's not really hard. This is the reason the windshield has to come out. These bolts, the windshield lays right here. The windshield comes right across here. Can't get these bolts out for the brace. It runs underneath here. So you gotta take the windshield out because of that. Because the glass is right here normally. I know that there was no other possible way on earth GM could have possibly come up with to do this. See, I knew either the transmission was leaking AC dye or the evaporator was. It was running down the drain tube on top of the transmission down the right side of the transmission. So the transmission had a freon leak, or the evaporator.